But let's say you want to play 78 RPM Shellac records. In that case, you would need a specialized card for that very purpose. In fact, let's use this wonderful opportunity to demo just how big the difference can be. And here with a specialized 78 cartridge. If you want to hear more wonderful flavors from the people that came before us, check out the PHONATIC channel that provided these clips for me. The channel makes the absolute best transfers of 78 records on the internet. I guarantee it.